When you ride the most advanced Kawasaki Ninja ZX-10R and you have proven yourself over and over, there's only one rider left to face. Face yourself.
Welcome to Jerez. Six-time world Superbike champion Jonathan Rea is now going to try and beat his strongest ever rival, himself. The riders are ready. Let battle commence. And now it's go, go, go! What a fantastic start for Rea! And he's taken the lead! Jonathan is battling his mirror image. It's decision time. This is nail-biting stuff. Jonathan needs to take control of this race now. Side by side they ride, and this is unbelievably close. Rea goes through on the outside, and he's back in front. Breathtaking action from Jerez. A massive moment now, and all to play for. This will be a close call. Never say never. Here we go, Superbike fan. And Jonathan is victorious, beating his mirror image to win.
Face yourself. The new Ninja ZX-10R and new Ninja ZX-10RR.
What an epic race!